Welcome! If you want to take care of your battery in Samsung Galaxy S21 and just extend the battery lifespan, at the first you have to go for the settings, then you have to find battery and device care. Right now we have to go for the battery and then simply scroll down until you find more battery settings. When you are here, you have to go at the bottom and we have to turn off fast wireless charging, super fast charging and normal fast charging. And there are good habits, so if you don't have to use the fast charging when you are in the home and you can slow charging your phone, it will be much better to your battery lifespan. Yeah, we are going to extend that battery lifespan because the fast charging and the super fast charging, it is not good habit for the battery. It will drain, the battery lifespan will be shorter for every time that you use the fast charging. And it will be really good also if you don't charge the phone to 100%. The best option is to get it between the 80 or 90%, and the same if you don't get to go for like 0% or 10%. The best option for smartphone is to be between the 20 and the 80 or 90%. So that's how you can extend the battery lifespan of your Samsung Galaxy S21. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!